So today I bought another series by Enid Blyton for you guys to introduce. So this is the adventure series, and in this series we have main characters named Philip, Dinah, Lucian, Jack and Kiki the parrot. This series is mostly like Famous 5, Secret 7 like a series, but this has another version because these children are like kind of cute. No, I'm talking about the illustration. For me, I like this illustration mainly because it's very cute. Kind of like small, teeny weeny people. So I'll be introducing this series and you can go read, and in my next videos I'll be coming and reviewing these books. So let's start with the first one. This book is The Island of Adventure. Something very sinister is happening on the mysterious Isle of Gloom, and the children are determined to uncover the truth. But Philip, Dinah, Lucian and Jack are not prepared for the dangerous adventure that awaits them in the abandoned copper mines and the secret tunnels beneath the sea. So I'll be keeping it here, and we have the next book, The Castle of Adventure. Why is everyone so afraid of the castle on the hill, and what dark secrets lurk inside its walls? When flashing lights are seen in a distant tower, the children decide to investigate and discover a very sinister plot concealed within its hidden rooms and gloomy underground passages. Next we have The Valley of Adventure. Nothing could be more exciting than a daring night flight on Bill's plane. But who are the two strange pilots, and what is the secret treasure hidden in the lonely valley where the children land? Soon they are finding straight into a truly amazing adventure. And the fourth, The Sea of Adventure. A mysterious trip to the desolate northern Isle soon turned into a terrifying adventure when Bill is kidnapped. Marooned far from the mainland on a deserted coast, the children find themselves playing a dangerous game with an unknown enemy. Will they escape their lives and save Bill? Next, The Mountain of Adventure. Surely a peaceful holiday in the Welsh mountains will keep the children out of trouble. But the mystery of the rumbling mountain soon has them thirsty for more adventure. Determined to explore the mountain and uncover its secrets, they must find and escape from a pack of ravenous wolves and a mad genius who plans to rule the world. Like me. The Ship of Adventure. An amazing voyage around the beautiful Greek islands becomes an exciting quest to find a lost treasure of Deandra. The children are plunged into a search for hidden riches when something ruthless will ends hot on their trail. But will they find the treasure before it's too late? So this was the first book I read in the Ship of Adventure series because I was more interested to the Greek side because of this Percy Jackson and all. So then I got this book and I started reading, and I was pretty much interested because I read more of these Enid Blyton books, and then here I am with all the books and read them. The Circus of Adventure. Why did Bill have to bring the baby fish Gustavus to be with them on the holiday? Jack knows he'll only be in trouble. When the Gustavus is kidnapped, along with Philip, Dinah and Lucian, Jack bravely sets out to rescue them, leading him into a faraway land and the discovery of a plot to the king. Last but not least, The River of Adventure. A river cruise to the ancient desert lands becomes a mysterious adventure when Bill disappears. Okay, now Bill is disappearing all the time. When the children are searching for him, they become trapped beneath a forgotten temple no one has set a foot inside for 7,000 years. What dangers lurk within, and will they ever escape? So here is the series. Now what I'm going to tell you is this series is just like her other series. Very exciting, very funny and very mysterious. So you can go and read them. Generally there has to be no order, but if you want you can get the order. So these are the books and I hope you'll read them by the next time I'll be coming to review them. So subscribe, visit my FB page and like, comment, answer the question I'll be putting in the comment box, and also watch all my other videos. Bye, annyeong!